Let me tell you a little incident. Like every kid I know of, I also joined MUN in the sixth grade. I distinctively remember when my name was called out to speak in front of 30 people who were complete strangers to me. I stood there, unable to utter a single word, and had made a complete fool of myself. My hands were trembling, and my vision was disfigured from the overwhelming tears. Every second felt like I was trapped, unable to breathe, and that was the time I had my first panic attack. That feeling is indescribable, and that event was surely not the last of them. But unexpectedly, the thing I resorted to after this was food. It was the first time I realized that cooking could be my therapy. That feeling of anxiousness is not unique to me and many teenagers who go through similar problems. One in three adolescents between the age of 13 to 18 suffer from severe anxiety. Moreover, ADHD, eating disorders, and depression are the most common mental health disorders. Like me, a lot of people relied on our day to day activities to get a sense of relief, which is known to be a great solution for some. However, whatever little remedies existed, like social interactions, were completely wiped out due to the pandemic. We all sat home bored, agitated, tired, and sad, and are still suffering from the after effects. Nonetheless, I strongly believe that one of the things that brings family and friends together is cooking. I want you to take a second to imagine your favorite food in front of you. Now, imagine if you take that small effort to make that food. That journey is something that can bring positivity into your life. Even though cooking is not a mainstream form, culinary therapy is known to help in bipolar disorder, early stages of depression, and the grieving process. The step by step process helps engage attention and allows you to make adjustments according to your liking. Like when I'm baking a cake, I'm in full control. I remember when my exam week started, I was so stressed out that I couldn't think straight. So I spent 45 minutes creating banana bread. And those 45 minutes were probably the best moments of my day, and it immediately made me feel better. This journey is something I rely on quite often and end up getting good food out of it. The core reason why it's therapeutic is in the kitchen, nothing is wrong. And the end product will be something that can bring joy to you and others around you. The step by step instructions of following instructions is crucial to cooking. See, cooking is quite simple and repetitive, which to my point allows it to be meditative and calming. Like who knew weighing out flour and beating up eggs was all I down. According to a study by the Journal of Positive Psychology, people who engage in cooking lead a much happier life. The process of folding the mixture and mixing the spices in creates a space where all the negativity is just removed in my mind for that moment. All senses are engaged with cooking using touch, smell, taste, which invokes positive thoughts and emotions, which is important for your mental well being. How many of you guys like khichdi, thepla, maybe apple pie? These foods to me are nostalgic. Food helps in recalling memories that are nostalgic and symbolic. A certain smell or taste can help you remember a forgotten event or a person. And the process itself creates new memories and gives you the ability to bond with family and friends. How many of you guys practice mindfulness? I'm sure we've all heard it, right? Mindfulness is the state of being intensely aware of your feelings and emotions. And cooking can help achieve this. The step by step process of following instructions helps engage attention. Coordination, creativity, and the openness of the form gives you a sense of relaxation. Moreover, creative expression is what I believe to be an important skill, and it goes hand in hand with well being. I believe this to be one of my greatest mental health strategies. I have declared Sunday Baking Day for more than 15 years of my life, says Tracy Thomas, a PhD psychologist. Cooking is grounding for people who feel anxious and overwhelmed. It creates awareness in the body to be present and enjoy the moment. Every day is unpredictable. And for teenagers like myself, the unreal expectations of the world has caused mental distress. I myself have tried journaling, dancing, and singing my heart out in the four walls of my room. But to my disbelief and yours, none of this helped in mitigating the uncertainty I feel over everything. So I continue to make and eat good food in my home, my kitchen. Adding flavor, creating unique shapes, and changing the color, it gives comfort and creativity. And above all, there's magic in watching a bunch of raw ingredients turning into a delicacy. And just that feeling of doing it all by myself, that feeling is more than enough for anyone to feel at ease and worthy, which I believe a lot of teenagers like me look for. Now, if everything I just said went in one ear and out another, I just hope you can remember one thing. This might not always work for you, but cooking has helped me in ways that no money or no person can. I'm not saying that I still don't overthink or still don't feel anxious. However, I feel centered and comfortable because cooking to me is like meditation, like a best friend. Trust me when I say cooking can be fun and can bring positivity into your life. Cooking can be your free therapy, so keep calm and keep on cooking.